I grew up on the West Coast with a big family, and during the season, we had artichokes all the time. It was one of my favorite foods. I love artichokes. They're in the thistle family, which is really good for the liver. And so eat a lot of artichokes. It keeps your liver healthy. And I want to show you how to prepare them because I'm surprised at how many people don't know how to. So let's take a look at how to do it. Super easy, nutritious, and tasty. Let's go. The first thing we are going to do is we're going to cut off the top. I like to use a serrated knife because they're a bit tough and you really have to slice hard to get that top off. This opens it up so the water can steam into it. Then I turn it on the other side and I cut through the bottom. So I have a bit of a sausage here. Now I take it and I set it head down into the water. I'm going to put just a little bit of salt in the water. I'm going to cover it up and I'm going to boil it. Bring it to a boil and I'm going to keep it boiling on medium for anywhere between 30 and 40 minutes. In order to know that we're finished, we take a fork, and when this fork can press into the center, we know that it's done. Let's get it boiling. So here's our finished artichoke. We take it out, we serve it up on our plate, and then what we're going to do is we start breaking it open. You can do this at the table one leaf at a time if you want. You see, it's a beautiful thistle flower. And you can just do it one leaf at a time. You eat this part right here. So you just scrape your teeth on this. So we're going to open it up and we're going to take all these off because I want to show you how to get to the heart, the best part of the artichoke. So we keep pulling until we pull all of this off. This is all good meat here, so you want to eat that too. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take out this center. These pieces here are tough and there's hair underneath. So you want to take off that top and then you're gently going to scrape with a spoon or a knife and you're going to scoop this out, the hair. And that's what's left is the heart. It is so delicious. This is meat of the artichoke. And that's what we're getting to. So you want to scrape through all of these. Eat this little piece at the end, scrape it on your teeth, and then get to the heart. We're going to cut this up into pieces. And this you're going to dip or we're just going to eat. So many people like to eat it with melted butter. You dip it into melted butter, mayonnaise, or olive oil. So you would have your dipping, you would dip in the end and then you would eat it. And then you can dip the heart. I prefer it just like it is because I think it has a lovely taste on its own. You decide what's best for you, but get busy eating these artichokes.